Yeah guys, I'm currently doing some upgrades in the garage. I have to drill a lot of holes down on the ground, and so I was looking for something to protect my legs and especially my knees, and so I have found these DURAWERK men's work pants with reinforced knee pad pockets, but also with knee pads, so we can use them directly here. Yeah, DURAWERK seems to be a really solid brand. I've been already using their work boots for some time and I absolutely love them. Super protective, very comfortable, durable. Doesn't get any better than that. So let's also see what we get here. And so they come nicely packaged. So we can see here already the knee pads. Definitely nice, bendable, soft. Okay, and so here we have them. Yeah, they look really nice. Here on top we have a little bit of stretch to adapt to the size. By the way, the size I've been ordering is 32 or 32. That's exactly the size which I'm usually wearing, also for jeans or so. So let's see how they work, how they fit, and if you have to order them larger than normal pants. And so I have one side here, and so we have an opening down here with a Velcro, so we can just open and push one of the knee pads here inside. We can also bend it a little bit, works easier, can push it nicely up and close it firmly again with the Velcro strap. Yeah, we can barely see the knee pads, but I can definitely feel them. Adding one here also on the other side. Upper part I would say is that, and when we bend it like that, we can super easily push it inside. Of course, for washing, I would recommend to remove them. Material is 65% recycled polyester, something I really like. And we have top brand YKK zippers. Yeah, when we look here a little bit closer, we can see that everything is really nicely made. All the seams, all the stitches, everything extremely well made. Definitely totally durable. And here we have the care label saying machine wash cold, with like colors do not bleach, do not tumble dry, but definitely very easy to clean. Yeah, machine wash definitely helps. Yeah, and so they fit absolutely awesome. We have these nice loops here for a belt if you like. But here in my case I don't need that, and it's still very comfortable thanks to this elastic band. And we have a ton of pockets. In the front we have 2 pockets. We have some extra loops, extra straps for a lot of tools. Here on the side you can see we have this opening here, then we have another opening, we have even these small openings here for maybe screwdrivers, more here, and this pocket here in the back secured with a Velcro, another one here on the left side, also nicely secured, and another pocket for more tools here with an outside pocket, nice solid buttons to close, and also other openings for screwdrivers or so. Yeah, they fit absolutely awesome, nothing to complain, very comfortable, definitely perfect for wearing, using the whole day. Yeah, and so I'm here outside in the garage. You can see I'm wearing these DURAWERK pants and also wearing the DURAWERK boots, which are an awesome combination. You can see it's super tight here, but these pants are absolutely perfect here. I've been fearing that when I'm sweating I couldn't move really, but even when sweating heavily I can easily move back and forth, as you can see, and I can't feel anything from the hard concrete floor because of these really nice knee pads here. By the way, also regarding the sizing, I think it was a good decision to go with the normal original size which I'm wearing and not with a larger size. They are still very comfortable. You can see I can bend, I can go up and I can go down on my knees, absolutely no problem, even when sweating like crazy here in the garage. And the awesome thing is when I go up and I go down again, they sit exactly in the perfect place, exactly where they have to be. I can move back and forth. There's absolutely no problem. They are not moving a bit, while normal knee pads can move easily away. So that's the much better solution, I would say. So full recommendation from my side. So you can buy them directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.